I am Dr. Nikhil Datar. I am the medical director at Cloud9 Hospital, Malad. I am an obstetrician and a gynecologist, and I have been practicing for last more than 20 years in this field. Well, most often pregnancies are happy and they end very happily. However, some pregnancies can have major complications. Now, if at all a woman knows what to watch for, then she can definitely watch for some signs, some danger signs, whereby she is able to report to the doctor in timely manner so that proper treatment can be initiated. Things like excessively swollen legs suddenly, especially along with high blood pressure, can be a sign of preeclampsia. That means excessive blood pressure during pregnancy. Now this can be a very major problem. In fact, it is a very major problem in our country. So if at all you watch for these kinds of things happening, then it is always better to go to the doctor. Similarly, some people may have sudden loss of consciousness. They may get blurring of vision. This also could be a cause of major concern, usually associated with blood pressure problem. So again, a danger sign to be watching for. If you are gaining too much of weight, if you are urinating too frequently, this could be a sign that you might be developing some kind of a gestational diabetes, that is diabetes which comes during pregnancy. So you should go to the doctor. Lastly, if you are bleeding during pregnancy or if you are leaking, that means the amniotic fluid, the fluid around the baby, if it's coming out, that is another very important thing, that even if you do not have any pain, you should go to the doctor, because if at all there is a problem, your doctor can treat you at the right time and give you a happy baby, healthy baby in your hands.